Hi! In front of me is INFINIX Hot 11s, and today I would like to show you how you can connect this smartphone using Bluetooth. Firstly, you need to go into Settings. Then click on More Connections and select Bluetooth section. After that, click on this switcher to activate Bluetooth and wait for available devices to show. When they do, click on the chosen one and wait for the pop-up. In order to connect, you need to choose Pair and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you want to disconnect them, you can always choose this little icon next to the chosen device and tap on Forget. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you wish to connect to the same device again, just click on it and follow all of those instructions one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!